Okay, there is one disclaimer to this build. Me and my friend were just messing around. We don't actually know if someone else has built this before, so just be aware of that. So what you're going to do is you're going to place a 2x3 of any immovable block. For this, I'm going to use obsidian, but you can use anything that you'd like. Now after, what you're going to do is you're going to place down 2 slime blocks, and then after, an observer. And make sure that the dot is facing the sky. If it isn't, then you might have a problem. On top of that observer, you're going to put a piston. And then after, 2 more slime blocks. And then after, you're going to put a piston facing the opposite direction, or an observer facing the opposite direction, then after a piston facing the opposite direction. And now you have one aspect of this done. Now you're going to need honey blocks. This is so that it doesn't stick, because if you just made this entirely out of slime, then it would be very hard because all the components would be sticking. So now you're just going to basically just duplicate it, I would say. Not duplicate it, but you're just going to copy it like that. After the same on here. Then after, you're going to do this one more time, but with slime blocks. Okay, and now this isn't done, but this is just for the most part kind of like almost finished. Now what you're going to do is just put any immovable block on top of the slime blocks, because if you break this, then the machine is just going to start flying out, or at least this one is. So then you're just going to break it, and since you're just going to do that, and you're going to put the button right there. The way you can do is you can make like a little redstone thing so that the button is up here. I will show that probably later on, or in the next one. But now what you're going to do is you're going to break the obsidian, you're going to build up 2 blocks with the slime or the honey blocks, depending on which one the mechanism was created with. Now you're going to put smooth stone, or any type of block that you want, as long as it's not movable. And then after, this is basically the first half. Now if you want it to stop, you need to build up a bit. You're going to go all the way, is this correct? Over the observers. I'm not doing it that high. Like, you can do it like extremely high. Just for this, I don't want to make it too high. And then after, you just need to go like that, and put some redstone dust over here, and put a button. And now you're basically done, and you can see it gets stopped, and then after you can go down. Now, a huge special thanks to my friend, Zach. He's the one who actually wanted to kind of make the idea for it, and yeah, he helped me. I made the whole mechanism thing, and yeah. Now let me just kind of try and make it so that the redstone is gonna work. For sure some of you guys are better at redstone than me, so you can probably like figure something out. No, again, this is where it's gonna start, which is why you probably need a button. So this is most likely gonna be like underground or something, like the whole mechanism part, and then after it's gonna come out. Most likely, I don't know. Maybe your situation is different, but for a lot of them, it's most likely gonna be like that. And after you just run like that, I'm gonna get a repeater, like just cause maybe like it just needs a little repeat on the redstone. I don't know. And then just need to kind of there. And then you can place it like right here, and then after you can have a button, and after you can like cover this up. And then after, yeah, so let me see if it works. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. There we go, now it should work. You can see now it's gonna go up. this is, I'm gonna say simple, like a very simple design, but it may cost a lot of resources. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Not that much to kind of do. It's very simple. And, bye.